Hey, so in this video we'll learn how can we set up the shipping discount based on the country. Like if you are selecting the USA, then it will apply some discount. If you are selecting some other country, then there is no discount for the shipping. So for that, what we need to do, first of all, we have to go for the ship of application, where we need to create a rule by select multiple rules at one. When you click on this button, it is like this one, and you can just set it as automatic offer or discount code based on your requirement, and you can set like combine with other discount or not, like product discount and order discount. So you can set it accordingly your requirement, and then after just go for the create a rule. Once you create it, it will be like this on the screen. You just need to set the offer discount, and it is for the US country, so I just set it as US here. Now we can set the discount, like you can see here, this is my shipping for the USA, like free shipping, standard shipping and express shipping, and I want the discount for the express shipping. So I'm just going for the rule, select apply discount on selected below, and I set it as like express shipping, or if you want like for the all, for example here the standard shipping and the express shipping as well, and if you want the discount for 50% in all the shipping areas, then yes, you just need to select all and go for the discount. Okay, so that's the thing. Now I'm just going for the express shipping only, so I'm just going for that. Now you can select here a country based shipping, so you can just go for the country, and contents here you can select United States of America, and label discount, like whatever the discount you want to go for the label, like express discount, and it is like a percentage discount, custom price, whatever you want to go for. I set it by percentage discount of 50% and create it. Okay, so once we create this discount and go for the checkout, refresh this, and here you can see I get the 50% off on here, and here is express discount by the 50%. Okay, now if you change the country by other, for example if I select the Canada and I add it with the shipping area, you can see the express shipping is there, but it is not apply any kind of discount because the country is not United States. Okay, so that's the thing, like you can set the country based shipping. Like if you want other country as well with the discount, then you can just click on this add discount tile, where you can set the offer, like offer discount for Canada, and you can set like if you want to go for the express shipping here as well, or a standard shipping discount, then you can just select this, copy the standard shipping, paste it here, and you can set the rule like if country is equal to Canada. Okay, so the Canada is there, and now it's like a label. Currently we are just make it on the US, it is look like the express discount, so here I set like a standard discount, standard shipping discount, and set the price like I just set the custom shipping rate with 100. So currently the standard shipping is 210, but I set it like 100 instead of 210 and update it. Now you can see here in the Canada it is look like the standard shipping with 100. Wait a moment, custom shipping rate 100, this will increase the price of actual shipping rate. Okay, so the thing is like this is the US base rate, so it is like a US one with the 100, but if you go for the Canada, then it's a CAD, and that's the reason it is 139 here. Okay, so just make sure for that, like if you are just going for the shipping rate, custom rate by zip custom shipping rate, then it will be like 100, then it is convert it with the exchange rate and make it as actual price, which is 139 for the CAD. Okay, now if you want to go for the percentage discount like 100% off or 50% off, then you can just set it by this, and when you go for this with the refresh, you can see here the price will be 105 and the normal price is 210. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So it is like just apply on the standard shipping for the Canada and just apply the express shipping on the US. I hope that is clear to you. Let me know if you have any other help. We have a live chat here as well. Like when you click on it, it will be like go for the live chat, and user agent will help to help you with this. Just need to go for the chat. Let me know if anything else. Thank you.